watching an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Grommy. Today is Wednesday, July the 8th. I'm out here checking on everything, feeding up all the animals. I gotta get ready to go to the hospital and check up on Mom. I IPM'd all my cannabis plants Sunday. I think it was Sunday. And man, I should have went ahead and broke out the damn crop defender 3 or the Captain Jack's dead bug. I'm paying the price now. I killed a bunch of caterpillars yesterday. Missed one. Little bastard. He's gonna die right now though. Yep. Paid the price for not IPMing. This is the only one that didn't get hit. Let's go check out the other two. See if I missed any there. Yep. There's a itty bitty that time has come to an end. I'm definitely going to have to get out here tonight, check the weather, make sure we ain't gonna get no more rain. Get out here tonight and IPM my veggies. Let's go check out the other one. I know cukies are doing all right. I gave the next door neighbors 3 or 4 of them yesterday. I'm wore out. I didn't feel like fucking with them. All right, let's look at this last Brussels sprout. Yep, definitely got an IPM. I didn't get them all yesterday. Yet another one. Die, you little son of a bitch. Yep. You gotta pay to play. Especially around this town. Goddamn bugs will carry you away if you don't stay on top of your IPM. Alright, let's look at some ladies. I need to give all these ladies some worm castings. This is cast peyote form. Almost got up to that tab. Once it gets up to that tab, I'll throw the second deck on there. She is jumping and bumping, praying away this morning, looking happy. Miss K's Rock Melon Haze. She's bumping along nicely. Looks like everybody could use a little worm castings. She's already above the deck. I need to fix that hole over there, because she's coming on. Yep. Yep, Mr. Man's blueberry needs worm castings too. They got a feed coming up Sunday, so. But it is over my head right now. And I think the pot is about 12 inches. I ain't got my tape. But she's coming along nicely. She's going to be a pretty little tree if she makes it through the storms here this fall. So I can decorate her up for my Christmas video. All right, let's go look at Slorilla Z. And I got to get ready to head to the hospital. Everything else is coming on. Except for them suck-ass tomato plants. They're getting ready to go. I already killed off all the, pulled off the squash. Pulled off the squash. I might go round up something else to stick in them today. This is where I planted them damn 4 autoflowers. And I looked at damn, stuck that humidity dome on there just for shits and giggles. And forgot to take it off. So I imagine I cooked the hell out of everything. This one might make it. Let's see. Whew, I am wore out, kids. I did not sleep good last night. Whew. Everything else coming along. I picked a whole bunch of jalapenos yesterday. Gave them to the neighbor, Mexican. All right, let's look at Slurilla. I gotta get moving, and I'm moving slow. Forgot to bring out my loop. I'm gonna stick the loop on my camera and get some looks and see if this thing is ready. She's getting really close. Got a bird feather. It's catching bird feathers. It's sticky as shit. It's sticky, sticky, sticky. And it is stinking right now. It is stinking. I'm ready to whackety whack. I want to get some shit hanging. Woo. Okay, dokie. I gotta get out of here, fam. I'm dragging ass. I hope you have a fantastic hump day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.